All right, we got this LeBlanc 15 by 30 servo shift, and we've had it listed for a couple of days. Nobody's bought it, so time for a video. It's 8C is the first two of the serial number, in case you want to call LeBlanc and check on year. Hold on just a second here. Okay, so first thing we'll do is go through the feeds. So we got power on. You can see the feed rod. We got C selection, B selection, A selection. High range. Reverse. We got, let's see, start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go back to low range. Long feed. Cross feed. Half nut. Then we got shifting. 45. 69. 95. 132. 179. 256. 351.